everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pavni Bahl from New Delhi, India, and I have created this look with gold glitters and a winged eyeliner with a lot of lashes to give it a more dramatic look and sort of a party wear look, and with classic red lips. So if you like this look and if you're interested, then please keep on watching, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started.
Hi, as you all can see, I have already done my eye makeup and now I'm going to start it with the eyebrows first. I have taken a dark brown pencil and now I'm going to fix it with the mascara wand because I don't want any harsh line to look out and I want it to be really blended. And now I'm setting with the powder, which is in the color dark brown, and it should not have any red undertone because it will stand really out, so you don't want that. Now I'm doing it all over my brow in the same way I've done it, but firstly I prefer doing it on the arch of my brow because that's where the shadow is needed the most. Now I've taken a pencil brush and I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye, and with the same highlighter I'm going to highlight the brow bone and I'm going to blend it really well so the highlighter doesn't look really highlighted. And I have taken the color Sunburn from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. You need to really blend it well. Now I'm going to take mascara and now I'm going to put the mascara for the second time. First time I had put it when before the lashes. Now I'm putting it before so that the lashes and falsies they appear a little closer. Now I'm taking MAC foundation in the color NC35 and Studio Fix. I'm putting it all over my face with the help of my fingertips. Putting it all over my face and neck, and now I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills buffing brush and generous 2-3 drops of L'Oreal boosting oil. It is a mixture of 3 oils which helps in buffing the foundation really nice, and it appears more smoother, but it will only work in winters, not in summers, because you don't want to appear sweaty and oily in the summers. And now I'm going to set it with the translucent powder in the number TL2 by Kryolan and just lightly buffing it in, not making it too cakey, and it should appear very smooth, very natural, and buffing it all over my face, not taking any extra amount. And now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Toffee Caramel, and I'm going to use both foundation and powder to setting in my contour. And for the nose, you would want to always start with the starting of the eyebrows. You do not want to start it with the middle of the nose because the naturally contoured nose always start with the start of the eyebrow. So do not start it in the middle of the nose. It appears really made up. Now I'm going to put it on the jawline, and then so I'll tell about this baking which I have done in the end of the video. And now I'm going to explain about the lipstick. I have taken the color Ruby Woo by MAC and I've already outlined my lips with red MAC lip liner. The video which connected this got deleted somehow, so I'll explain this in the end of my video. And I'm just filling in the lips with red color, and now I'm taking the color Tanarama, which is from Frost collection again by MAC, and I have coated this red. Ruby Woo, it is too matte and this color is little creamish, so in winters you don't want too matte, so I've coated that Ruby Woo with this color. It is in Frost collection. This is how it will look like. Now I'm taking a small buffing brush and I'm taking MAC bronzer in the color C26, and I'm going to set the nose contour which I did earlier with the foundation in very small amount. Whenever you set the foundation with the powder, it makes it last really longer and it makes it waterproof. And now I'm taking off the baking. and the baking gives really a finished look to the contour, and the contour in the lower cheek appear more cleaner. And you know, the baking will take little time to settle when you will take it off, so you don't have to worry that you know it's looking too much, because it takes little time for the makeup to set up all over, but it should not also look cakey. Now blending the contouring really well, because you don't want any harsh line, you don't want it to appear too much of makeup, you want it to look natural, and you also have to have the makeup as well. Now I'm taking Maybelline blusher with a blusher brush, and I'm going to apply on my somewhere in the middle of the apple of my cheek and the cheekbone. You always apply the blusher wherever you get pink after sweating. Some people say that you put it on the cheekbones, or you put it on the apple of the cheek. And now I'm going to take my Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and in the same color Sunburn, which I use for the inner corner of my eyebrows and the brow bone, I'm going to highlight the cheekbone and the nose of the bridge, the forehead, basically wherever the sunlight hits. And this is how the look appears like. And if you want the tutorial, a separate tutorial for these eyes, please let me know in the comments, and please suggest how does the look go and everything. And I hope you like the video. This is my first ever makeup video. Bye bye.